The world was gray, the skies were pale. No butterflies along the trail. Flowers slept, the sun was weak. The colors hid, they wouldn't peek. But one small glow in silver shade fluttered out, not afraid. Glowtail whispered, I believe somewhere waits the rainbow seed. Glowtail, glowtail, planted deep, sing a song to make it leap. Dance with hope and light will lead. Colors bloom from the rainbow seed. She searched the clouds, she searched the skies, through morning mist and fireflies. She found a sparkle near the stream, a tiny seed that glowed with dream. Glowtail, glowtail, planted deep, sing a song to make it leap. Red and yellow, green and blue, Glowtail song made colors new. Up came flowers tall and wide, painting hills from side to side. Trees turned gold, the rivers gleamed. Glowtail laughed, it's like I dreamed. Glowtail, glowtail, shine your light. Fill the world with color bright. Dreams grow strong when hearts believe, all because of the rainbow seed. When rainbows stretch across the sky, you'll see Glowtail flutter by. A glowing wink, a happy beat. Grow your dreams, make life complete.